Hi guys, so guys, I'm here in the kitchen preparing breakfast. So one thing, it's around 10:30 in the morning, 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So we're supposed to wake up. We had set the alarm at 7:30 in the morning. I don't know what happened to the alarm. So Abby had set the alarm. I think we're on that holiday mood or something. Today is 4th of January and he is on leave, so we are here. We are here, all of us. And now I'm just finishing up with the pancakes making. See, I've made a lot. Let me show you. Here are my pancakes. So I think I'm done. These are my last pancakes. So here. Guys, that's what's up. We are taking this breakfast a bit late, but we have so many things to do today because we are going to do a huge grocery shopping for the first time in this year. Our first shopping, yeah, because we really used everything on December that month, yeah. So we're going to do that shopping and I will be taking along, guys. So I hope you enjoy this video, because not just shopping, we are going to do a lot of things on this video which you are going to see. So stay tuned. So let me finish with the breakfast, then we go. I'm going to take you to the supermarket now. So this is the time we are going. It's 12 p.m. so come with us, guys. Come along, I take you there. Hi. Myself to video. So guys, the pressure is getting worse. We are not yet done and someone is getting pressured. So let me show you a clip of what we have gotten so far. We are remaining with snacks and a few things, guys. So let me show you this one. So this is what we have got so far. All just snacks and few things. We are done. We are done and Taraji is looking for bubbles. I've never seen bubbles in a supermarket. What are you looking for?
Bubbles.
Yeah. We'll buy in the shop. I can't see bubbles here, okay? So let's go to the counter, which I don't know. We were counting, then we stopped at them at some point because the math was going the other way. So let's go check how much we have spent. Okay, that's enough, Mama. Guys, we are back. We are back and I just want to remove everything at once, then I will show you what you have managed to buy. Yeah, so it's 3 p.m. and we were in the supermarket at 12 p.m. 12 something. So yeah, we took like 3 hours shopping. Yeah, let me remove everything. So here is our shopping. This is everything we bought. So let me put them in the kitchen, then I'll show you guys. So this is it. So this is what we managed to buy today. I'm not going to, I want to be saying the price this time around, but yeah, this is it, guys. So we have the tissues here. These are the my cleaning for the utensils. We have for the toilet. This is for the utensils. Dettol, my ice cream, some snacks, and all my snacks are here and the ice cream. So these are the normal shoppings, the normal ones which you have to buy. And then we have this for Taraji. When she comes from school, she likes eating this like a snack. And then we bought slippers. We had more slippers in the house, so we didn't have. And then the yogurt for Taraji when she comes from school. These are pegs. These are biscuits.
Yeah, biscuits.
Scotch. This is good for kids, like Huh?
No,
Yeah.
for Layla.
Yes, for Layla. Spaghetti there.
No,
Some
no.
chilies for me. I'm the only one who takes tea in this house. And then
No.
Bluebird cooking oil. We have this, the cooking oil.
No.
We bought it during Christmas. It's a lot. It's there. So yeah, that's it for shopping, guys. I just want to arrange the ones that are going to the freezer, and the ones I just want him to.
One.
They want the Skittles.
Eh.
The Skittles are here. Okay, but you eat 2. Then you take food, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So let me arrange as I give this girl some food to eat. So on this video, as I said, guys, this was part 1 of this video, the grocery shopping, and we are going to do a few things on this video. So I see you later, guys. Let me try to arrange these things, then we take our lunch. Yeah, see you later, guys.
Early the next morning.
Hi guys, so we are on the next morning, and guys, so I'm coming today I have 2 things to do. So I'm rushing to fix this phone because I actually can't see myself, but the camera is okay. So I'm going to fix the screen because right now I can't afford a new phone. So you know, the schools are opening it all. Then I'm coming to boil cereals, which like you have seen on that video. So I need to boil cereals, then put them in the fridge and all. Like now the phone just cut me off. So and then yeah, that's what's happening today, and I'm going to take you along. So I want to be filming when I'm going to give out the phone, then I'll do few things because I'm buying some few things here and there. So see you later, guys. Guys, so I came back from town. This is how it looked like. So I just changed, so I came back. I didn't vlog, but look guys, the work I'm doing here, I'm still boiling the cereals. So I was using Jikokoa, so there's some cereals in Jikokoa on the balcony. Then I'm still boiling from the gas because I felt like it's taking a lot of time. Me, I don't know, Jikokoa is just slow. It's 6 p.m. and I have a lot on my plate, guys. You don't know, I think ladies, we have so much work. Like I'm tired, but I have to clear the utensils. Don't mind my dirty utensils. My kitchen is a mess. So I have managed to boil this. This is jahe, the black beans. This is beans. And then here it's motokoi, which is boiling. And outside it's motokoi again, you know. I just divided motokoi. So I'm still remaining with kamande, which I don't know whether I will boil today or some other day. But I want to put these ones in paper. Because they are already, they have done what? They are warm, they are cold already. They are not hot, that is. So let's do that.
Wake up in Pasadena, nobody asked where we from. Cold-blooded conversation, ADD told me to run. Why he got too many coats, Cali got too many sons. Home with the famous.
So guys, this is the first round. As you can see, this is how I've packed. I think this is enough for one bosh. These are beans and then jahe. I'm not sure jahe in English. I call them the black beans. So let me put them in the freezer as we wait for our motokoi here to boil.
Feeling love and I always low on the above when I see a green light.
So guys, my motokoi is almost, still one more outside, and then I'm done with the utensils. There were so many. Yeah, so yeah guys, I don't think I'll vlog while putting this in the freezer, but see you later, guys.
Yeah, I can't help when I leave my safety in a vibe, but I leave it all behind, and I keep nothing in mind on the east side. I don't have the time to be stepping out of line, gotta keep myself in line.
Hi guys and good morning. So today is Sunday, we are on the next day, and look at this guys, this is my mothokoi which I was boiling yesterday, and I still have more somewhere. And so I finished cooking to early late at night. So, and right now I'm just preparing breakfast as you have seen, and then we continue. So today being on a Sunday, what I'm going to do, we are preparing for school opening a door. So yeah guys, stay tuned and see what next. Let me show you our breakfast for today. So guys, we are not morning people, we don't take much. So this is my hubby's chocolate, this is my tea, and then Taraji doesn't take anything in the morning, but she will take only this and our smokies guys. So I think that's it for, and then we are going to take bread as the grown-ups. Yes, so that's our breakfast guys. January, we are ready for you. We are not scared. Look guys, look at this. This is crazy. Did I show you the fridge? Like, this is the whole modokoi. Even my papers are not enough, so there are these remaining 5. They can't be enough for this. And have you seen my fridge? Let me check. So this is the fridge. So we only have this. Actually there will be enough, but I just sent some more papers of this to store. So yeah, January, we are not scared of you. Look at us, fully packed. You can imagine how this food will take us, like for long. Like, we are in January, Feb, March, especially the mothokoi, because it's once in a week, so it will take us so far. And I love mothokoi so much, I love it. So that's, we are so stoked. We won't have January the way people say, like they say January, like Ja means hunger. So yeah, in Africa we are sorted. We are actually this Africa continent, we are so lucky because we have the farms to farm these foods. Especially now, my mom was like, do you want some more beans, maize? They are so ready. So I'm sure she will be sending me more. So yeah, that's how lucky we are in Africa. So yeah guys, so I'm waiting for these papers because I need to add more so that I can freeze the food. Yeah, so yeah guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and I need to prepare for school opening. Yeah, see you later guys. Guys, I'm still alive. I was making Taraji's hair actually, so let me show you something. Guys, this is my mothokoi. These are all bags of mothokoi. If you don't know mothokoi, it's a mixture of maize and beans, but the maize is peeled, the outer part. Yeah, I don't know how to call it in English. So, and it's supposed to fit here on this fridge. And guys, so I'm still cooking. This is kienyeji chicken. This is chicken which I'm boiling, and a little snack for Taraji. She loves noodles. Actually, it's almost ready. And then I'm supposed to put all these here, this space guys. So let's see how we are going to fix this. Yeah guys, I have managed to fix everything, but if I touch this one, it's going to fall down. Look at some. Oh my god, they are too much. So I don't know how I'll be picking the others, but anyway, that's how it is. It is what it is. Whew. So I've managed to put everything and in the freezer, and now I just want to cook chapatis. And today we are going to take chapati and chicken. So it's Sunday, so yeah, that's what we are going to cook for dinner. So okay, I'm a little bit tired, but I'll just fix few chapatis, you know, for 3 of us, and maybe 6 or 8 chapatis will be enough. So see you guys. guys, I'm done with the chapatis. Now I'm cooking. This is the chicken soup. It remains, so I want to put it in the kitchen. Chicken. Our chicken is here, and I'm going to use ginger. This is coriander, that is dhania, turmeric, and paprika. So hoho, that is, yeah, that's the spices I'm going to use. Just a little bit. I don't like so much spices. So, and our chapatis are here. These are the chapatis, guys. This is for preventing the sweat to come into chapati. I don't like when the chapatis sweat, but on the sides, I don't like. So that is it, guys. Guys, I just freshened up. Oh no, I'm so tired. It has been a hectic couple of days, but we thank God, so far so good. And yeah, so you'll be seeing this today Sunday, so you'll be seeing this video on tomorrow Monday. So yeah, guys, so I have to edit this video here so that I can have time to edit and all. So yeah, guys, I see you on my next video, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button. And thank you so much, 2,000 subscribers. Before I forgot that, oh my god, 2,000 subscribers, like 2,000 people believe in me. Thank you so much, guys. I don't take you for granted. And to my new subscribers, karibuni sana and feel welcome. Yeah, we do everything real, and yeah, we don't fake life. We do what's happening in this African home. So yeah, guys, that is in Kenya. So yeah, guys, to be specific, because so many people watch me from Norway, US, Canada, and I have so many followers from different types continents. So yeah, I'm so grateful, guys, to you and to God for reaching this far. So yeah, guys, I see you on my next video. Bye.